We're at Ohio Power Tool for their Spring 2023 open house. And we're here at the WeHop booth with our friend Miran. Now here's the deal. We have some other vagrants that might be here as well. And there's so many new announcements that they brought the National Guard in to protect this show. Miran.
Vince, my man, good to see you, buddy.
What's up, brother? Listen, this is the deal. They're dropping brand new tools, accessories today with us. First time you'll ever see it, ever, anywhere.
Buddy.
Let's do it.
So I'm just gonna take any National Impact bits out there. That's a T25 Torx, and I got a T25 in here. We shattered it less than a second. And then let's go get a WeHop Impact Blue Bit TSD bit, Torx T25. And I can go for a longer period of time, right?
Amazing.
Perfectly fine.
Real nasty.
It's very simple. It's the torsion zone, it's the heat treatment, and our TSD Impact Blue Bit. That's what makes this bits the best impact bits in the market. And it comes in different packs and different varieties. So we have them in 1 inch long, 2 and 3.5 inch long bits. This holder I love. Why? Is because it's called a little bit buddy.
It's convenient.
Very convenient. Easy to go in and out, right? Pull this down, use the one that you want, right? And once you're done, put it back in, hold this, you're good to go.
I have this kit. I like this kit because it's great for like tight spots where you can't get a power tool in.
For a tight spot, it's perfect. This has 72 teeth, right? So it's a mini ratchet. And what's really cool about this is we don't have our regular magnetic bit holder. We have our slim fix bit holder.
Okay.
What this one does is basically...
Oh, it locks in, right?
It locks in. It doesn't come out until you release the bits, right? Boom, like that. And once you're done, put it back here. Go box.
That's sweet.
$29.99.
One of my favorite things on this table, though, has got to be the die cuts. So I'm going to explain these. I've used these daily, right? Here's the deal. These are good for, you could cut copper with these, you could cut steel. You can't, like people think that they're able to use their wire cutters to cut steel. They can't. They're going to damage, the cutting.
You're absolutely right.
Right? Cutting surface, cutting blade, right? Sometimes, if you don't have the hand strength, right? You can't get enough hand strength, or you have smaller hands, you can't reach in there, right? You would say, oh, I gotta get a different tool, a grinder. WeHop said, no, you don't. No, you don't. What they did was they decided to give you a little power button. Now, it doesn't make it battery operated. What it does is it doubles up the power of the tool. You see that? Did you see? That's amazing strength. And I think that has to do a lot with my forearm training. These are brand new.
Yes, these are brand new.
That's why the National Guard's here today.
So you're familiar with the James Bond, right? The 6-in-1?
Yeah.
All the blades in here, they're slim, has a locking mechanism in here, right? Now we came with a more compact version of this. It's called the Pocket Max. Little magnetic, open this up, slide the bits out, slimline, put it back in here, put it in your pocket. Bob's your uncle, you're good to go.
Bro, I didn't realize you had a torque screwdriver.
We have a whole lineup, insulated, non-insulated, and digital. Let me actually show you how it works. So let's say your application says, we have to be 10 inch-pounds, right?
Yeah.
You basically adjust the scale to 10 inch-pounds, right? So you come here and you say, all right, I want it to be 10.
Okay.
So here we are, boom. Use the blade. Here's the Torx. So let's say the minute you hit 10 pounds,
it will click and it will not overtight.
Just like that.
Beautiful.
Mainly for cutting tools, carbides, inserts, so you don't damage the screws, right?
Yes.
On the non-insulated. When you use the insulated one, use it more on panels. So let's say you look at your Eaton box, right, electrical box, and you see the manufacturer has certain specs. It says you should not do it more than 12 inch-pounds, so you don't over-tighten them. Boom, you're good to go.
This gets adjusted the same way. So you have a tool.
Adjusting tool and a display. So you put it, you adjust it to the desired torque value, let's say it's 20 inch-pounds. This is because it's insulated, you need an insulated bit holder, and then you put the blade that you want and lock it, and Bob's your uncle.
That is
You're good to
beautiful.
go.
Is that digital?
It is digital. You adjust it on the screen in here. You got to turn it on. Now it's on.
So you adjust.
You change it.
Wow.
Electronically, digitally. 12.94. Boom. You're good to go. Same thing happens again. Once you hit your desired torque, it's just going to click. Boom. You can't
That's great.
over-tighten.
So with this one, you don't need the additional tool to set the torque.
You don't. Great
You don't?
point.
And I have a question now. This one's not insulated though.
This is not insulated.
Non-insulated.
Only the red, yellow
Gotcha.
one is insulated.
What if I think my tool is out of calibration?
What a great point. So we recommend, let's say, a year of usage or 5,000 cycles or clicks. Let's say after that, we recommend you, basically looking at how the performance is. Test the tool basically.
Yeah. So we're not recalibrating, we're getting a new one? Is that what you're saying?
Correct.
Sounds good to me. Brother, thank you so much for having us. I appreciate it.
Thank you for
This
stopping
is
by.
exciting.